And there are multiple ways of taking them, and I will show you each way, and then you can decide what is easier for you. And then there is a study, Kampo, in Japanese herbal medicine tradition, that they look at actually the efficacy of taking the powder herb in a very short steeping time. And the study found out that it's actually more effective than using the traditional decoction method. And I will put the link underneath so you can read about it if you would like. So the first one, I have this hot water kettle, and my herbs are in this bag. And then this is my own formula I will take tomorrow morning. So there is a teaspoon, and my dosage will be 10 grams a day. So I'm going to use 2 teaspoons. And I have this Thermos bottle, which will keep the water hot for a while. So you can see these are the formula, these are the herbs that I made a custom-made formula. So one method, I could pour this directly 2 teaspoons and then use 1.5 cup of water and let it soak in this thermos overnight, or at least 4 hours. And in the morning, I can use a strainer and drink the herbs. So usually we prescribe 2 doses. So after straining the liquid, I will drink half, and then the other half I will either save it in the fridge for the evening dose, and then I can add a little bit hot water to make it warm to take the second dose. So that's the method number 1. Use a thermos, hot water, and a strainer. And the second one is almost the same, but instead of using strainer, if you are lazier, you can use tea filter. So I have these nice unbleached loose tea filters, and I'm going to do this method for myself. So I'm putting 5 grams now. And another one, 5 grams. So there's 10 grams of herb here, powdered herb, ground herbs. And I'm just gonna put it here on my thermos, and I will use this is hot water, 1/4, let's say, cup of hot water. And you will find these on the instructions on your formula. And shake it. And I'm missing my lid here. So I will close it, and I will soak these herbs in hot water for about I guess overnight, because I will drink it in the morning. What I would do, I will pour this liquid in a mug and take out the tea bag, and then I will drink half, and then I will put the other half in the thermos, and in the evening time I will take my second dose. I might add a little bit hot water. So that's the method 2. And the third method, you could, if you like to cook your herbs, it's not going to take a long time. Again, for one dosage, if the prescription says, let's say 5 grams twice a day, you will put 5 grams of the herb in a stainless steel pot, and then use however amount of water we recommend, and stir it on a stovetop for about like 5 to 8 minutes. And then you can use a strainer and drink the liquid when it is still warm. And some patients like this method, whatever is easier. And then the last method would be, some practitioners call French press. And I will add a link, YouTube link of very well-known experienced practitioner called Lorraine Wilcox. She made a video about how she uses French press. So I'm not a coffee drinker. I don't have a French press, but in the video you will see she actually puts, let's say, 10 grams of herb and put the hot water in the French press, and she waits for 4 minutes and then uses the French press and, you know, drink the liquid. And she also warns that after using this method, your French press might smell like herbs. So if you're a really serious coffee drinker, you might need to get a separate French press for your herbs. So these are the methods. And if you have any questions, let us know.